Hello, I'm Will Sampson from Woodworking Network and FDMC Magazine. We've stepped out of the shop into my garage today to talk about a new painting and drying system from PaintLine. You may recall that I reviewed PaintLine's job site portable spray booth, and I'm going to set up this stuff in that spray booth here, but I wanted to give you an overview of what is involved with this equipment. Because you can't really see it when it's all tucked into the spray booth, and some of it doesn't belong in the spray booth, belongs outside. It's a system for both painting and drying doors and drawer fronts, and it has a lot of interesting features. It's all steel pipes, lightweight steel pipes that go into metal stands, and it assembles really fast and easy. There are a few little thumb screws and a cotter pin up here, and that's about it. Everything just snaps together, and you can have it up and running in no time. This section, which consists of stands and posts and this cross beam, and this contraption right here is for spraying. And this allows you, once you hang your piece on one of these little hangers, you can rotate it and get all the sides, do it all the way around, spraying vertically. And I know not everybody is into spraying vertically. Some people like spray flat, that's fine. This is a system that goes vertical and is very compact, and there's a lot of good reasons for that, and we'll talk about that some other time. A lot of convenience is built in. There's even a little hook right here so you can hang your spray gun conveniently and, you know, do all your spraying, hang it up, and go on. And then you can take this off here and just hang it up out of the way to dry, or you can go to the next one. Whoops. There we go. Or you can go to this other rack system, which is the same. It's part of the same package, and it has these large, they call them wave hangers, that you can hang multiple items on. And, you know, lots of the orange paint ones that you can hang on there however you want to do it. And all of this, one of the things I love about PaintLine stuff, it's designed for the job site, so it's designed to be portable, easily assembled, easily taken down, and everything comes with carrying bags. This is the one for all of these poles that go in. And there is a little bag here, which I will open up so you can see inside. It's a clever little rack. So you can store all of your hangers. And there is another one just for the wave hangers. You can have 50 hangers in that small one, and I think it's 20 hangers in the big bag there for the wave type hangers. And just a great system, easily ready for the road, and very convenient if you're having to do finishing work on site, which a lot of people do. And, you know, I don't have a permanent spray booth. I use the PaintLine job site booth as a temporary spray booth, and I'll be setting it up and putting this unit inside and seeing how it works in actual production. But you can see there's a lot of neat features. I love the little swivel thing, that's really nice. And very convenient, very sturdily built. Good heavy-duty finish on it, and it's ready for the road. Well, that's what we've got for today. You can learn more about the PaintLine system at PaintLine.com, or you can learn more about other products and tools and watch more videos on our website at woodworkingnetwork.com or in the pages of FDMC magazine. Thanks for watching.